Hello students, welcome to the online classes and this is your name Miss. So we are going to continue. Why do we need to balance the chemical equation? We have learned about chemical equation, we have learned about chemical reactions, how we are writing the chemical equations based on the reaction. Then today we will learn about why do we need and how to make the balanced chemical equation. So first we will learn how to balance the chemical equation, then we will say why we have to do this. Okay, so firstly, like whenever we are going to write the equation, we will write it like this, na? Like I have last time I have explained you like this: Mg plus O will give rise to MgO2, right? We are writing some kind of equation here. Magnesium plus oxide will give rise to magnesium oxide. So here I am giving one more example, that is iron Fe plus water H2O will give rise to iron ferrous oxide plus hydrogen. Okay, that again we are writing in the form of symbols, that is in a form of equation. Fe plus H2O will give rise to Fe3O4 plus H2, but this we have to balance. Okay, it's not balanced. You can see here, you can see that Fe plus H2O, right? Fe plus H2O plus Fe3O4 plus H2 is given here, right? Isn't it? Fe, here you have one Fe, but here you are having 3 Fe. Iron, right? Here you are having 2 hydrogens, so here you are having 2 hydrogens, so that doesn't matter. But here you are having 4 oxygen and you are having only 1 oxygen molecule. So what we are doing, we have to balance it. Whatever reactant you are giving should have the equal amount of product. Okay, how many ever whatever number of molecules you are using in the reactant side should be equal to the molecules you are getting in the product side. Okay, for this we will explain you in detail with the following explanation. Okay, so let us start. At first we will write first here element. Okay, and the number of reactants or whatever reactants involved in the reaction, and whatever product we are going to get, how much it is, we are going to write it. Okay, so here what do we have? We have iron, we have hydrogen, okay, we have oxygen. So let us know how many molecules you have first in the reactant side. You have one molecule of iron, you have 2 molecules of hydrogen, and you have 1 molecule of oxygen. Okay, and in product side you have 3 molecules of iron, 4 molecules of oxygen, and 2 molecules of hydrogen, right? So but we have to equal it. So first we will do with iron. So here you have 1 molecule and here you have 3 molecules. So what we are doing, we are just going to multiply this 1 into 3. So we are going to write it as 1 into 3. So this will become 3, right? So here this has become not an issue. So we can write this as Fe. How many molecules we are going to take this? We are going to take it as 3 plus H2O will give rise to Fe3O4 plus H2. But still this problem is solved, right? This problem is solved, but still this is not solved. This is not solved. Okay, so next what we will do, you can see that 2 molecules of hydrogen are present in the reactant side and 2 molecules of hydrogen are present in the product side. So this we have no issue, we can go with this, right? And next you have here 1 molecule of oxygen and you have here 4 molecules of oxygen. Is it correct? No, no. So what we will do, we have to equal in this. But when we are equalating it, you can see that there is a problem arising with this. If we are multiplying this oxygen into 4, because here we have 4. Okay, so we are taking 4. But when the same thing we are writing here 4, then you can see that it will become 4 oxygen. You will get 4 oxygen, but you will get again here 4 if you are writing 4 here. 4 if you are writing, then 4 twos are 8. But here we have only 2. So what we will do, we will multiply even the hydrogen with 4 molecules of, yes, we'll again multiply it. So what we'll do, we'll just multiply it with 4, okay, and here also we will multiply with, how many will we get? 4 2s are 8, so we'll get here 4. Then we got here 4 oxygen. So now the equation is balanced. So here we will multiply it with 4 and this we will get 8. Here we will multiply again both the sides with. So if sometimes if you are not getting the equivalent, that is equilibrium equation, then you can multiply or increase. Just see, here there is one rule. You can just add, or you can add the reactants, and you can just equal the equation, but you cannot change anything, that is any molecule here. Okay, you cannot change ferrous, that is iron, with any other molecule. You cannot change water with any other molecule. Whatever equation is given, you just have to add or decrease whatever it is, but just you have to see that the reactant side molecules are equal to the product side. Okay, so with this, we can even go with one more example, that is magnesium plus oxygen. Like last class we have learned about, you are getting what? You are getting 2 mgO, right? So now we have to equivalent it. How you are going to equivalent? Here you have two magnesium molecules, so just we will take here 2. Okay, 2 mg. Now you got 2 mg. Here you have already O. Okay, this is the easy example which I have explained you. So I hope now this is clear. Chemical equation is nothing but whatever reactants you are having should be equal to whatever products you are getting. That is number of molecules involved in the reactant side should be equal to the number of molecules involved in the product side, right? So I hope this topic is clear to you. In my next class I'll explain you why you need to balance a chemical equation, and even I'll explain you the next what are the types and all of reactions. Okay, till then take care, bye.